Hello everybody, this is the third video in the series of the 3 months coding interview preparation kit. We are still in week 1 and today I'm going to give you the solution for time conversion from HackerRank. So let's take a look at the problem. The problem states that you are given a time in 12-hour format. It could be either you're given in a 12-hour format. It could be either AM or PM. What you have to do, your task is to convert it into military time or 24-hour time. So, for example, if we take a look, given examples itself, the first example states that you're given 12:01 p.m. So, in 24 hours time, it's going to be 12:01:00 with no PM or AM written next to it. Now, if the same time was in AM, in that case, it's going to be 00:01:00. So our task is to write a program to convert 12-hour time to 24-hour time. So the code I've already written over here, let me explain you one by one. So the first thing what we do is we find out the meridian. Meridian is basically AM or PM. How to do that? The input is going to be given into the string S. The last two letters will tell us whether it is AM or PM. So the way of selecting the last two characters in a string in Python is this. So you do -2 colon and within square brackets. So that's going to be stored inside of meridian, AM or PM. Okay. So next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to store the hour, minute, and second into their own different variables. So the same way, the first two letters is going to be hour. The third to the fifth index is going to be minute. So when I say 3 to 5, it's going to start the numbering or the indexing in strings starts from 0. So it's 0, 1, 2, 3. So it's starting from 3 and we are going to take everything up until 5 but not including 5. So 3, 4, 5. 5 is this colon, but that's not going to be considered because it is less than, not less than or equal to. So 3 to 5 index is going to be the minute and second is going to be -4 to -2. So once I have all of them stored, if I'm going to check whether it is AM or PM, accordingly I'm going to change the hour. So if you notice, the seconds and the minutes is not going to change whether it's 24 hours or 12 hours. It's only the hour part of it that's going to change. So first of all, I'm going to check if it's AM. So if it is AM, the only exception is going to be when it is 12 AM or anything with 12 AM, like 12:30, 12:45 AM. In that case, it's going to become 00. So I'm going to change the hour to 00 and the rest is going to be as it is. Now, let's say it was not AM, but now it's PM. So in the case when it is PM, there is going to be the only exception in this case also is 12. 12 PM is the same as 12 hours. However, everything else you have to add 12 to it, right? So let's say 1 p.m. 1 p.m. is basically 13 hours. 2 p.m. is 14 hours. So for everything you have to add 12 except for 12 o'clock itself, except for 12 p.m. or noon, which will be 12 itself. So if the hour is not equal to 12, what I'm going to do is I need to add 12, correct? So I first need to convert the string into an integer. So I'm converting the string hour to integer, which is r underscore n, and then I'm going to be adding 12 to it. So this could be written as, sorry, 12, like this. That's what's going to be correct. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert this integer back to a string and store it into the variable r. Then what I'm going to do is finally just print out as it is. Okay, actually not print. I'm going to return it to this method, and then the driver code will do it for me. So that code is already given to you. All we have to edit is this much. So we don't have to worry about anything else. So in this case, I'm going to be returning hour colon minute colon second, and that should be the correct answer. Let's check it out with the sample code. So as you can see, I've passed my sample test cases. Let me submit to the actual test cases and let's see if it works or not. So as you can see, all my test cases have passed, and this should give you a full score for your problem.